Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Welcome back to What's Inside. Today we have an interesting one. When I was at CES back in January of 2018, I saw a product that I thought was super interesting.
Drifting board.
Drifting board. There were these shoes that you put on your feet, and they're like a Segway or a hoverboard.
That's what shoes do. You put them on your feet.
Yes, you do put them on your feet. And you basically can just ride along the ground like a Segway. We have a friend named Keaton. He has a channel called TechSmart. He's in LA, we are in LA. You've probably seen a couple of our videos from here. We hit him up because he has the actual Segway version and also the Koowheel one. So we wanna see what's inside of a cheap Chinese knockoff version of the hover wheels versus the expensive hover wheels. Are these a new trend, or are they gonna fade away and die like the regular hoverboards did?
They're not dead.
They're dead. Or they exploded in people's houses because the batteries didn't work.
Yeah, that too.
This video might get dangerous.
Probably will.
All right, here it is. Hello. Hello. Open the door.
Hey!
Oh, hey, what's inside? I didn't know you were coming.
There's the tool. That's the right one. This is the TechSmart HQ right here. It's a lot nicer than our office. Okay, before we get into the hover shoes and all the different hover shoes, got a few questions.
I'm gonna hold the hammer. I feel cool. It's like my microphone.
How many things do you have in this office that say Supreme on them?
Oh, geez. It's out of my control. I'm not buying it anymore.
We already found this. What's up with this?
Oh,
it's a brick.
That's a Supreme brick. So this costs 30 bucks retail, $30 for a brick. So stupid. I know it was dumb. Dan, you asked.
Here we go. Supreme boards.
Jeez.
We got Kermit the Frog, 3 different colors.
Jeez.
Oh, there's a big one. He's hiding him under the couch.
Stop it, like you don't go under there. There's a lot of boards under there, like you be careful.
Supreme magazines, that's a thing? That's what
I bought this,
thing?
I was a young kid when I bought this. And I mean last year, but it doesn't matter.
And then look at this, Supreme everywhere.
All right, let's go back outside. I'm done with Supreme. It's not who I am anymore, Dad. I don't wear that.
Hype beast coming through. And then also, this is the fancy office. This is what you see in the background right here. And then look, what you don't see is we're actually in a giant office space with like noise dampening stuff up here. Where'd Lincoln go? Look at Lincoln.
Oh man, not even the floss? Let's do the... I almost fell over.
That is a cool hat. Even though Lincoln doesn't know how to put it on straight, it's still cool.
Wait, was it not straight?
No, it's never straight. Right here on the ground, we found them, guys. Here's the Koowheel. These are the ones you can buy right now. Here's the drifting board, and then we've got the Segway.
These are the OGs.
How many people in the world have these?
I would say less than 10.
Wow.
Justine has a pair. I know we have a pair. I don't know anyone else that has a pair. But Dan had these to
Nobody
start.
has these.
No one has these.
Wow.
You got these at CES?
Okay, so I got those at CES, but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna change my vlogging camera that shoots in 4K, and we're gonna switch over to the setup.
One.
The fancy setup. You ready for this? Ready? Give him a snap or something to make it happen. And we're back. Wow, look at this. No, that was really just editing, if you didn't know.
No, it probably took us 10 minutes to get to this spot, so.
Okay, so this is the drift board, which I mean, I gotta give them credit because their logo on the top is money. That is super cool.
It couldn't have been better. The guy
Dude,
with
it's like the
sunglasses-
Michelin Man.
Look at that.
It's the Michelin Man, like the tire guy.
Yeah, like you see that and you're like, I have to have these shoes.
Whoa!
Cheers.
Dan!
See what I'm talking about? So this is the difference.
Oh!
One of the wheels is just normal, the other one has the motor.
No way!
Yeah. And they have 2 wheels, so they're not even hovering. But I tried them, they still have a little bit of juice on them. They're not the same as the other ones because Lincoln, show us what these ones do.
These ones go vroom vroom, like a turtle.
No.
These are basically levitating hover shoes. To turn these on, it's super simple. You hit the button there.
Whoa, your table! We were supposed to keep this careful and not ruin it. I did not do that.
All right, there we go.
Okay, they're good at peeling out. Segway didn't ever come out with the hoverboards that you saw that were the trend. If you remember those hoverboards that people would stand on, they were super cool. We did a video, it was one of our first videos to hit like 3 million views or something crazy. We had fun on them. and Segway definitely missed the boat on that. They came out with some weird ones where you put like a stick in between your legs.
I got it.
Of course.
Wait, really?
Of course he's got one.
So weird.
They were weird.
Yeah. Looked painful too.
These are the guys. This is what Segway, the company, Ninebot, I guess, came out with to combat them losing all of the market share in the space that they should have really owned, really.
This was the first hoverboard that didn't catch on fire. And it was weird
That's good.
with the stick, but the range, there's an app.
We'll put a link to his video up here. You guys can check it out, like the full review of this.
So the W1s cost $399 and they're not out yet. You can pre-order them. These are called the Koowheels. They go for
very, very cool. Even the good thing is they don't catch on fire, so they're more cool in that way.
These go for $499.
You gotta see the video of him reviewing these, riding them all around. We need to go outside and at least try it a little bit first.
Let's go outside.
Let's go
Oh,
back
and
outside.
there's straps. Do those have straps?
Yeah, if you hold them by the wheels.
Oh, that's why it's the coolest wheel.
Here we go, the cool wheels.
The cool wheels.
You be the responsible one. Help him out. Teach him how to do this. Oh, there it goes.
How far can you go by yourself, little guy?
All right, ready, Link? This takes 3 seconds to learn. 1 foot, ride.
That looks easy enough.
You got this, and that one there. All right, I'm gonna walk you around now.
Sick.
Make sure your legs don't come too far apart.
Yeah, I got one.
You're good.
Got it. You're going so fast. Look at you.
Oh, dude, you totally got this.
Wow, that looks like a lot of fun.
Proud dad. Dan is so proud.
I gotta be honest here. It's not looking like it's that much fun. Okay, let's see how fast you can go. If you can go from here to the car in less than a minute, I'll buy you a milkshake. Ready, go. He wants a milkshake, he says. Oh, it took a minute and 1 second.
Oh!
Sorry. You guys can be the judges. You saw the timer. No, I think you earned that. Good job, buddy.
Yes.
All right, my turn.
Whoa, Dan, you got that.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez. We can vlog while we do this. Come on.
Casey Neistat.
Check this out.
Whoa. Oh, and Casey got a pair.
Actually, yeah, I think that I did see
that's
Casey
right.
do a video on this in New York City with these. I can see why he was a little uncomfortable. Like top speed. That feels like top speed. And I can walk faster than that. All right, speed test. Let me see the fastest you can go.
You can train to be a figure skater.
Yeah, that's pretty quick. That is quick. This right now you are witnessing top speed and top moves. Now, the Chinese ones, these are the cheap ones that I got in China. One of them does not have a motor on it. It comes with a remote that has a lot of buttons, way more than you would think. Oh, I can't even put your foot on that right. Okay. Oh, I can't even stand on it. It's like impossible. Okay, I'm on. Whoa! 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 Do you want to try it, Lincoln?
No!
Ian, do you want to try it at all?
If I do it, can I get a milkshake?
Yes. So hold on as much as you need on this.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Oh! That is... Okay, hold on good.
How does one? All right, Dan, I'll just hold on to you.
See that?
Hey,
Yes!
guys, we did it.
Milkshake! You get a milkshake! Woo! That's me! I'm terrified. Right now, I'm terrified.
I'm cool. Wheels.
Oh!
I didn't think I could ride it.
That's a world record right there.
I think the only record too.
Yes.
No one else has these.
This is the Beats by Dre hoverboards. Do not buy them.
Whoa! Check out how bent that is.
Oh!
Narnia!
Go! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! the off-brand one.
Wires.
This thing.
Don't touch the battery. I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh,
Could
come
explode.
on. I've touched batteries before. Oh, jeez. No, just kidding. Okay, so here's the battery circuit here. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check this thing out. So yeah, I'm curious to see the difference between the brains of this one and the batteries of this one versus the one that costs $400. The hover shoe. The inside of it.
I like how they have purple batteries on this one.
How many batteries do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. One of the differences is you can kind of see down here, you can kind of see the metal. The wheel does have a big part of the motor inside of it, where the other one, it's not much of a motor. They do look like they're very similar, and I'm sure they came from like the same factory, the same plant.
Just one says Samsung, the other doesn't.
Definitely a lot more brains on this side of things. How much is this thing again?
500 bucks?
500 bucks. We'll put a link in the description to this thing if you're interested in getting it. It is kind of fun, but you've got to have some mad skills like Keaton to be able to even ride this thing.
Yeah.
Thanks to Keaton for showing us this. And guys, we filmed a video on Keaton's channel, 5 of the strangest cell phone cases you've ever seen.
The weirdest iPhone cases you'll ever see in the world.
Go watch it, subscribe to TechSmart for
you.
lots of fun tech videos. Hope you guys like this.
Goodbye.
That was fun.
Bye guys, subscribe. See you later.
See you later, buddy.